Here's a simple trick you can use to climb higher in the search engines that will increase your chance of hitting the front page of Google. Welcome to ProfitCopilot.com. My name is MICK, and I'm here to help you to get more web traffic and show you how to convert that so you can profit from your passions. So today I'm going to show you a simple SEO trick that will help you to get powerful backlinks to your website. Today we're going to find broken links on other websites and blogs and replace them with a link to your website. This is a really popular and effective strategy for SEO. So I'm going to walk you through it today. So instead of asking for a link directly, what we're going to do is approach bloggers and webmasters and provide them with value first. So we're actually helping them, we're saving them time, and we're helping them to improve their websites. And when we do that, it's easier for us to start building a relationship with prominent bloggers. You see, a study by HP recently found that 1 in every 200 links breaks every week. So that means there's a massive amount of opportunity for people like you and me. Now, this theory is great and it does work, but I haven't seen anybody else showing you how to find broken links, at least not charging you a small fortune for that information. So I'm going to give it to you for free. I'm going to make this really simple and easy for you to do. I want you to follow along. I want you to copy me today, and I want you to get results. So there's 2 ways that we can do this. I'll show you the first way right now today. And if you want to learn the second way, if this is of interest to you and you want to know the second way, then let me know in the comments and I'll go ahead and make that tutorial for you. So the first way, well, it works like this. So we need to find pages that have lots of links, because the more links a website or a web page has, the higher the chance that some or at least one of those links are broken. So that increases the chances of us being able to swoop in and get that link replaced with a link to our website. Does this make sense? So what I want you to do next is open up your browser, follow along, copy me, because you're going to get backlinks to your website today. Once you've got Google ready, I want you to type in check my links. And this is going to take you to a Chrome extension. Now I want you to install that. It's completely free, really easy to use, and this will make it easy for you to find broken links on any web page. Next, we're going to use a couple of search strings to find the right type of pages that might have broken links. So the first approach is to just use your main key phrase. Now we can use quotes or we can do it without quotes. For this example, I'm not going to use quotes, but I encourage you to do both. So I'm going to search for keto diet plan. And now we just go through each of these websites. And here you can see that I've already run the extension. And by the 3rd page, I've found broken links. So that's really quick, really easy. And this will open the door for me to get more links to my site. So we've got different approaches to this. There's really 3 approaches we can take. So the first one is we can send an email to the webmaster and we can offer a replacement link. Of course, that's going to be a link to your website. Or the second way is we can use it as a way to open the door, get our foot through that door and start a conversation with a prominent blogger. And the third way is we can use it to request a link in a different section of that page or of that website. So that's the 3 ways we can use this strategy. And we can also repeat it with different search strings. I'll show you exactly what I mean right now. So we want to find resource pages because they often contain lots of links to other websites. And we want to find ultimate guides too, because they also link out to other websites. So for resource pages, use your keyword plus in URL :resources. To find ultimate guides in your niche, put in your keyword plus ultimate guide in quotes. Simple stuff, right? Anyone can do this. You can do this too. And why stop there? If you want to get traffic to your website today, then I've got a free training course for you. Go to ProfitCopilot.com/traffic, get that free course. Nothing is going to cost you a penny. when you go to that URL. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. If you want the second part, let me know. Also, hit that little notification bell when you subscribe now, and that will notify you about the next video. Okay, thank you for checking this out. I hope you have a good weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Take care.